Right, what is going on, everybody? So we're going to try a little bit of a different format today, and for this one it's something that I'm pretty sure everyone is going to like. It is a Mark IV Golf GTI, and I'm hoping that we've timed this just in time for him, just to turn up, so we can go rack off some questions to Dan, get that boring bit out of the way, and then go do some driving. Dan, what's going on? You alright?
How you doing? You alright?
Yeah, good. So for everyone on the channel, what we driving today?
Mark IV Golf GTI anniversary.
Exactly.
25th. Only one of 1800 made.
One of 1800. And what's your standard figures for something like this?
Horsepower wise?
Yeah.
180 brake.
Yep.
Don't ask me what the torque is because I've completely forgot. But yeah, you were at dyno day, so it was pulling 181 standard. Yep. Had it mapped at road rage.
Yep.
Panel air filter and a vented arch liner. That's the only mods I've got. And with a boost leak, 202.
There we go, 202.
You reminded me I need to get dynoed again. Boost probably sorted out.
Let's go. What's your favourite thing about the car? What's your least favourite thing about the car?
Favourite thing about the car?
Yep.
It's exclusive. There's not many of them.
That's very true.
The worst thing about the car is being the slowest out of you lot when we go away.
As you can see, it is in absolutely immaculate condition. Probably the best example of a Mark IV Golf, I would say, in the country. There can't be many in this condition.
There's a few of these with really low miles.
It's nice, very nice. Standard time to move your seat.
Forward or backwards?
No, you know what? Might be alright.
Tell you what, I'm going forward a bit. I feel well far back. Now, this is a weird experience.
You've never been a passenger in your own car?
Of course not, don't let anyone drive it.
Oh, I do feel privileged. I felt privileged quite a few times this summer.
You are the only person to drive this car.
I've got to drive an RS6. What else? That Skoda.
You want to go that way back, yours.
The that Mark 8 Fiesta. Do you know what? That was pretty good. That was the Mark 8 Fiesta.
Was it? It's a 1.5.
No, I think it's a 1 Lyric. Oh no, yeah, it is a 1.5. Yeah, it's a 1.5. I get it. Do you know what? I'm not even going fast yet, and I get it already.
It's alright, but the tyres ain't as grippy as what they've been in the past.
So the good thing about Mark IV GTI is that there's no let's put it into sport mode or anything like that. It's get in it and just drive it. Yeah.
There's no fancy tech.
And it is
apart from the cruise control, which I put in, but I needed that for Wales.
So you don't know what your car feels like as a passenger?
I ain't got a fucking clue. There's no red line on this now, but the power band's on around 5,000 RPM. As soon as you 5,000 it drops off.
Going over it then, so you want to be like between.
Which is where I was going wrong last time we went to Santa Pond. I was going
acceleration's nice.
That's quite smooth sitting here actually.
It is really smooth.
I'm not holding on for dear life, which is the start. The other thing about the map is, well, my fuel economy is a lot better than what it used to be.
Oh yeah, I know. That's one thing I always tell people. Is every map I've had on fuel economy's only got better. Maybe not so much at Pop and Banks.
The opposite map.
Yeah. You do notice when you're on and off the throttle, like cruising, that you lose fuel so quick. If you're on the motorway, it's fine when you're not dumping fuel all the time. It's grippy, isn't it? Does the job.
Not as grippy as it was. Nowhere near illegal, they just haven't got as much tread as what they used to have. Whereas the back ones on the other end, they're not taking all the wheel spin, I'm just going to swap them round. So hopefully it goes back to some sort of stability.
Yeah.
Because even I find that going around bends. Even when you were following me back onto Bluebell Hill yesterday, Andy's Jack went round a slight right hander and I felt the front go.
Got a bit of fun to steer.
Yeah.
I think we should nickname this hill up here. What is this hill called? Farnham Hill? No, this Room Hill, isn't it?
This is Room Hill up here. Yeah.
We should call it Hoonin Hill or something, because this is where we always find out how quick they go. Where'd you say the power band was?
About 5,000.
That's a bad gear change.
I'll have a look at the dynos like that.
On the outside. There. There's nothing coming?
Yeah, you're clear.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you're right, front did give out a little bit then.
It does. It's the tyres.
Yeah.
Nothing else.
You saw the traction control come on as well.
Turn that off if you want.
No, you're right. I don't mind driving keeps out of cars, but it's got to be safe.
Yeah, Pilot Sport 4s are great when you put them on, but when you start losing a bit of tread, you've got to be a bit careful on them.
Yeah. Mate, so how old is this car? What year is this?
It's 2002, 17 years old. Well, it's done, how many miles have done?
It doesn't feel 17 years old. It's good. It is good. So how would I rate this? I don't know where I would put this. If I had to put it everywhere on everything we've done so far, it's hard. Do you know? It's hard to say. I was having this conversation with Matt the other day. Like the RS6 was blistering fast. And don't get me wrong, if I had the money, I'd have one. But it's nowhere near as much fun as this, and Jack's GTI and
I mean, this is never going to be as quick as an RS6.
If I was going to rate everything that I've driven so far, I would go, what would I say? It'd be a real toss-up between Jack's car and the Fiesta, because the Fiesta was a real shock. I didn't expect that type of performance from such a small engine, but Jack's car was, obviously Jack's car's built to be ragged about everywhere though, isn't it? That's the thing.
I mean, the Club Sport S versus the Fiesta ST. I mean, don't get me wrong, the ST's always been a great car, but
yeah.
Club Sport S is a different league.
Yeah. I'd definitely put Jack's at the top, then I'd put the Fiesta, then this probably.
Well, that's not bad for a 17-year-old motor.
No, they're just so, it's just fun, isn't it? That's what driving's all about.
So where would you put your own car then? The type R's got to be up there, surely.
Where would I put my own car?
Well, I know you're used to driving it, but I'd say yours has got to be
What
up
else
there
have
standard?
It's still too much hard work.
Is it?
The clutch is heavy, the steering is heavy, the ride is it's firm. And when I was buying the car, I used to watch reviews and people would say the same thing. I was like, oh, shut up, it's meant to be like that. But then daily in it, every time I get in someone else's car, I start thinking, oh, should I go get something else? Or should I sell mine and go get something else? And then I get back into it, I act like a yob, and then I love it again for a bit. And then I go to work on a Monday and I just think, oh, this is so hard to drive.
Drones a lot, no?
Yeah, that's your own fault. Yeah, that's my own fault, yeah. Right, we're all finished, guys. That was the Mark IV Golf Anniversary Edition. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Dan, thanks for letting us drive your car.
It's all right, mate, don't worry about it.
Get on the website now, www.rlinert.co.uk, to put your deposit down for the North Coast 500 and keep an eye out for any further events. See you next time.